Okay, so this is day one post-op. I came to see Dr. Lamb because of a scar that I had gotten as a result of a car accident back when I was a teenager, and struggled with that scar for many years and had multiple procedures from different physicians trying to do scar revision, and because of the location right by the mouth and all of the muscles involved, none of them really took. And so I had found Dr. Lamb just doing some searches on Google and YouTube, and found it interesting, just the concept of doing a beard-to-beard transplant into the scar tissue and learning how easy it is for that graft to grow. And so Dr. Lamb and I put a plan together around that, and we just completed the procedure yesterday, and so far extremely happy with the results. No pain, no other adverse effects yesterday or last night. Feeling really good, and expecting a very good outcome. The staff was incredible. Dr. Lamb was incredible, so very, very happy with the results.